my Zuri pressed powder in Nuit. Don't have a back. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and thumbs this look up, even though I haven't done anything. And go ahead and subscribe right down there below. As you can see, I already have my makeup look done today. Yeah, so if you want to see me do this makeup look, go ahead and keep watching. my Zuri pressed powder in Nuit. Don't have a back. Okay, so apparently my camera died in the middle of me recording, but good thing is that the only thing that it didn't catch was my lips. So I used my MAC. It's actually an eye pencil, but I used it to line my lips in coffee. And then I went in with Fenty Beauty Midnight Wasabi. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Hopefully the fact that my camera died didn't really throw you guys off too much. Go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and thumbs it up if you haven't already. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this look or any suggestions for any other looks. You can also follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be in the description below and on the next screen. And yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next one.